Today I'm going to be showing you some Power BI functionality that I bet you didn't know about. It's incredibly functional and incredibly simple. And it's so simple, in fact, that I have to talk for a little bit longer in this intro. So this video is over a minute long and actually counts as a YouTube video and not as a YouTube video short. So I'm going to show it to you in a second. But first, if I show this to you and it's something that you didn't know, you got to do me a favor. You have to like this video and you have to subscribe to this channel. All right, let's take a look. So here is an incredibly ugly dashboard with some data out of Stack Overflow's 2024 developer survey. I've thrown it into a table, and as you can see, I'm sorting by employment. Now, quite a few end users run into a challenge where they then want to sort by multiple columns. But the problem is when they then select another column, right, the sort order then switches. Well, you can actually sort by multiple columns in certain visuals in Power BI. All you have to do is hold the Shift key, and then it will sort by the second column. And then you can hold the Shift key again, and it'll sort by a third column. And it will sort them in the order that you select the column. So for example, if I want to sort by employment, right, I can then sort there. I can then hold the Shift key and then sort by education level, right? I can then hold the Shift key again and then sort by count. And that's it. Isn't that cool? I mean, I know something like this is incredibly simple, but every now and again I stumble upon something like it where I was like, whoa, Power BI could do that? And I get excited and I just want to come on here and share it. If you knew about this, let me know how you learned about it down in the comments. And if you didn't know about it, you owe me that like and that subscribe. So with that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and thank you for watching.